What's this?
This is biogas production. This model is for spaces, and it is called Systema. We mix the cow dung from there.
Okay.
Then it gets into here. This is a digester.
Okay.
When it gets here, the process takes place. The cow dung is broken down by the bacteria which are in the cow dung, and the gases are produced. And you can see the tube is expanding. That is one of the gases is methane gas, which is making that tube to expand. And then there is that pipe you see. It is the outlet for the gas. Then goes the other side for cooking. That is the outlet for the gas, and we use it the other side for cooking.
That pipe, eh?
Yes. So this is to show people that you can set up this kind of biogas system, and you can have the gas for cooking at home. So you don't need to use the firewood and charcoal.
So there, how does it do the cooking? Is it like the gas that we use from petrol station?
It is somehow. It is not. This is different, but also this one is used for cooking. You know, methane. It is. You can use it for cooking and for lighting.
Okay.
Then the other one you use in the LPG, the liquefied petroleum gas. Yes.
Biogas.
But here we are using methane gas.
Okay.
Yes.
How effective is it? How easily can it be done? Is it like cumbersome to do?
It is not cumbersome, because what you need is cow dung. You mix here in the mixing chamber, gets into the biodigester, and then the gases are produced. Because in the cow dung there are bacteria which break down. We call it anaerobic digestion. The anaerobic digestion takes place, and then those gases are produced. But what we need is the methane gas, which will get out
to the
cooking place.
So it has to be done at a place where it's being used.
Yes.
It's not something you go and buy and say, oh, let me go buy some biogas at my neighbors.
Oh yeah, they're going to actually, in some places have started packing this gas.
Okay.
And selling to people for cooking.
Okay.
They pack it.
They pack
it.
it.
Can be packed. And actually, for now, they are packing in bags, but they are going to start packing they also want to come up with a design like of that cylinder of the LPG. Yes.
Nice.
The mint is really...
It's minting, eh?
Mint, lavender, oregano.
Oregano. And then eggplant. Awo batofunye.